It's a new year, guys. I pray this year turns out amazing for all of us. So this is our first tutorial video for 2023 and we're creating a scar using Lindy Sfx nose and scar wax. So the first thing I'll be doing is to clear up her skin, and I'm using Miriam Skin Prep for that. And now with the aid of our Lindy Sfx Spirit Gum, this is an adhesive and I'll be applying it on the area where I've cleaned up already. So this is going to be used to adhere the next product on her skin. So now using Lindy Sfx nose and scar wax, this is going to create an illusion of a fake skin, and I'm using our light shade of nose and scar wax. So with the help of my spatula, I'm going to scoop out a little using my fingertips to roll it on to have this form. So I'll be placing this on the area where we have the spirit gum. So I just did that to check if the spirit gum is ready for the placement. So now with the aid of our Vaseline is very important for this process. It is extremely important. So I'll be going in with my spatula, blending out the edges. And so I'm now using the Vaseline to smoothen out the edges. This is extremely important. The wax will stick to the spatula if you don't use Vaseline, so that is why I'm using Vaseline as I go. And make sure that your edges are well blended to the skin. Make sure that you take your time with the aid of Vaseline to blend those edges into the skin. It is very important so that when you apply your paint over it, we won't get to see those visible edges. So that is why I'm taking my time now to really blend out the edges with my spatula. So take your time and make sure that you have a perfect edge. So right now I'm going to create some rough edges on my nose and scar wax. So because we're creating a scar doesn't look neat, so I'm just trying to make some deformities on the nose and scar wax. And you can create whatever form you like. It mustn't be exactly what I'm doing right now. So I'm just using my spatula to create some lines and create some dents on it. So now with the aid of Lindy Sfx liquid latex, so this is actually a very good product to seal the edges of the nose and scar wax, so it stays in place on the skin for a very long time. And I'm going to speed up the drying process with my mini hand fan. So the next product we'll be using is our Lindy Sfx Scar Wax Sealer. So I'm going to be applying this all over the area where I have the scar wax, and this is going to seal the entire area of the wax and as well set it ready for my painting. So now I'm using our Lindy Sfx alcohol activated paint, and to activate this palette you have to use 99% alcohol. So I'm using a disposable sponge to pick up the product and blend into the nose and scar wax. So now I'm going in with this shade of red, and I'm using my brush to just stipple around the area where I have my nose and scar wax. So I'm going to be working with different shades just to mimic the tone of her skin and to make it look very realistic. Okay, so the next product we'll be going in with still our alcohol paint in that shade, and I'm going to be placing this just on the highest tip, on the highest point of the scar, using our brush as well, and also stippling it around the area of the wound. So now using this very dark shade, I'm using a very fluffy brush now to apply this product, and I'm stippling it around, working with different colors. Now going with the red, stippling around. Stippling method is very good and effective. Instead of rubbing on it, stippling would give it that natural effect. So I would always advise a stippling method when applying alcohol activated paint. All products used are available for sale. You can contact us via our Instagram page. I'm going to leave a link in our description below so you can check us out on Instagram. And also, if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, what are you waiting for? I'm yet to hit my 1,000 followers. I'm still at 140 subscribers. Please, you guys, subscribe to my channel. It's very important. And also like, comment and share this video, guys. So you can see the progress of our scar, and every step of the way is very important. And now I'm using this shade, splashing the color using my toothbrush just to create this natural tone to it, so you guys can see how beautiful this looks. just using nose and scowl wax. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye.